BannerSurvey allows for surveys and polls to be added to your website. To access BannerSurvey from the BannerOS dashboard, scroll down to the Grip section and click on BannerSurvey. Add Survey allows you to add and configure a new survey which can be placed on any page of the website. To add a survey from the BannerSurvey dashboard, click on Add Survey. Give the survey a title. Type in an email address who should receive notifications when someone fills out the survey next to email recipient. Type in a subject for the email to be received when someone fills out the survey. Reject submission within minutes. Put in a number to specify how long someone has to wait before they can fill out the survey again. Enter in a start time and date for when the survey will become active. Enter in an end time and date for when the survey will become inactive. Type in a message to be displayed after someone fills out the survey next to Success Message. Choose if you want the Success Message to be displayed on a new page or on the same page that the survey was on by choosing Same Page or New Page. When finished, click Submit Form.